welcome back to Making Frugal Fun. I'm Shannon, and today we're making 4 easy dinner ideas that are super healthy and perfect for spring. A special thank you to Hungry Root for sponsoring today's video.
Hungry Root helps you save time and eat healthier by planning, shopping, and delivering groceries to your home each week. Since I started using Hungry Root, I have been eating better and feel way less stressed trying to think of meal ideas each week. Make sure you check out Hungry Root with my link in the description below and get 40% off your first order.
I'm really excited to share these amazing spring dinner ideas, and all of them are under 35 minutes. Perfect for busy weeknights as we head into the end of the school year. So let's jump in so you can get inspired for some fresh new meal ideas for spring.
So these recipes came in my Hungry Root box, and they give you everything you need to make the recipes. You just fill out a little quiz that lets Hungry Root know what you like, what you don't like, and you can kind of customize it to your family's preferences or allergies or anything like that. However, even if you don't get a chance to try Hungry Root, these are really simple spring dinner ideas that you probably have most of the ingredients at home or easily available to you. I'll put more information in the description box below, but first we're making some bruschetta chicken with crispy potatoes. I just have the oven preheated to 400 and I'm slicing up the potatoes, seasoning them with some oil, salt, pepper, and garlic salt. And then we're just gonna spread them out on a sheet pan and roast them for about 30 to 35 minutes until tender. And this is the longest thing that I did in this whole video was cooking the potatoes. Everything else is super quick and easy. That's what I love about these dinners because I never have time or the energy to make a super long, drawn out dinner. Zucchini is one of my favorite vegetables. The kids usually like it pretty well. One thing about this meal, or really any sheet pan dinner, you could put the zucchini on the sheet pan with some chicken, potatoes, 30 to 35 minutes. That's a great, easy dinner idea that you can make with all different kinds of vegetables, different kinds of potatoes like sweet potatoes and chicken or like turkey sausage. That is a really great, easy meal combination to do any night of the week. It's fast, it's easy, it's one pan, and I have a lot of different sheet pan ideas on my blog. But here we're using these chicken patties. They're kind of like burgers, but they're made with chicken, and they are really good. So you just make them for about 10 minutes on the skillet. Give them a little flip every 1 to 2 minutes so you don't burn them, and then set them aside. You're going to plate it with your zucchini, your potatoes, and then there's this amazing tomato sauce that came in the Hungry Root box that you just drizzle on top to make your bruschetta chicken with crispy potatoes. This meal was really delicious, and it's a super healthy, you got all the food groups going on there, so it's a great weeknight dinner.
It's been 4 weeks.
I love salads for spring and summer dinners, and they're great if you have a lot of leftovers because you can bring them for lunch. And this is a chicken green goddess salad. This recipe was crazy easy and super fast. It only takes about like 6 or 7 minutes to make. So you're just gonna heat up this seasoned pulled chicken. You could easily make a huge batch of shredded chicken in the crock pot and use it on a bunch of different recipes all week. The Hungry Root box came with these Green Goddess chopped salad kits that had the dressing and seasonings in it. So it was really easy to just throw everything in the bowl, toss it, and then add the chicken once it was ready to go in. I had to upgrade my bowl because I always start with a bowl that's way too small every time. It never fails. So just throw everything into the bowl, and then you're going to add the sheep and goat's milk feta cheese crumbles on top at the end. And this salad was one of my favorites. All of the recipes were good. This was my second favorite. The pasta that I'm going to make next was my absolute favorite. But this is so good. I'm actually eating it right now, some of the leftovers while I'm editing this video.
Since you called, and I've been waiting here for you all along. I've been waiting here for you all along. Where you been? Where did you go?
spring dinner number 3, I'm putting some water on to boil so I can make the rigatoni pasta. You're just gonna boil that just like it says on the package instructions. You can use any kind of rigatoni. This came in the Hungry Root box, of course. And then we're cutting up some asparagus. I absolutely love asparagus for sheet pan dinners. Whip it up on the stove like I'm doing here. It's so good with some garlic salt and pepper. And then throwing in some of the shrimp to saute all together. And then it came with this amazing garlic butter packet things. And they were so good. It really gave the pasta, the spinach, the asparagus, like the most delicious sauce. And this was perfect. I had this for dinner last night, and I'm definitely going to be eating it again tonight. And the baby even really liked this one. And our final easy spring dinner, this one was really simple and quick as well, less than 15 minutes. This is a tzatziki chicken and fresh veggie couscous bowl. And so I'm chopping up these little veggies that came with the Hungry Root pack. There were more bell peppers, like yellow ones and orange ones, but the baby actually really likes bell peppers, so she was snacking on those. So I only had like the tomatoes and the red ones left, but that's okay because she's the baby. She gets what she wants. So very easy. Make the couscous per package instructions. Throw it in with your veggies. You could put really like any of your favorite veggies in this. And then this delicious seasoned chicken thighs. They're going in, and then you're gonna just serve it in a bowl, and you put a dollop of this amazing feta cucumber tzatziki dip. I always feel like I'm going to mispronounce that, so sorry if I did. But anyways, you put this in a bowl, serve it. This is another really good, very filling with the couscous and the chicken, very fresh and flavorful for spring with that feta cucumber tzatziki dip. All of these recipes were so amazing and really quick and easy to make for your busy spring evenings.
I hope these easy spring dinner ideas gave you some quick meal inspiration for eating out on the patio or with the windows open this season. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and check out Hungry Root in the description below for 40% off your first order. I'll see you guys in the next one.
I hope it's not too late. I want